Happy birthday sa'yo, Crisaline. We appreciate you being there doing my activities. And I want you to know that we are always there to comfort you and to help you whatever your problems are. Happy birthday ulit and God bless you.
Happy birthday, Chris, or belated happy birthday. I know na na-enjoy ninyo yung special day ninyo with your loved ones or with your friends, with your family. I hope na you will continue to learn, grow, and stay in the covenant path. Wini-wish ko na magkaroon kayo ng maging healthy kayo kasi marami na nagkakasakit ngayon and ma-achieve ninyo yung dreams ninyo. I know that Heavenly Father and Jesus Christ loves you and they will continue to help you sa journey or sa trials na meron kayo sa pag-abot ng dreams ninyo. And I hope na magkaroon tayo ng maraming memories. Please, huwag ka na mahiya sa amin. Wala, makakapal mukha namin. And, ayun no, I hope na ma-enjoy ninyo or ma-surprise kayo sa surprise na inahanda. And, ayun no. Bye-bye. Happy birthday ulit.
Happy birthday, Crisaline. Sana ma-enjoy mo yung surprise namin sa'yo. And happy 18th. Grateful ako na kilala kita and nakasama ka sa aming news. And ayun lang, happy birthday!
Crisaline Rob, happy birthday nga pala sa'yo. At alam ko, ang isa sa pinakamasayang araw sa mundo ay ang iyong birthday. Ang wish ko lang sa'yo is magpakabuti ka. Magpakabuti ka sa lahat ng tao at sa mga kaibigan. At kiniling ko lang sa'yo na na mag-grow ka dito sa church at makapag-share ka din ng ebanghelyo sa ibang tao. At muli, binabati din kita ng happy birthday. At sana maging masubuti ka pang tao. At ang lahat na ito ay iniiwan ko sa pangalan ni Crisaline Roblo.
Hi Crisaline, belated happy birthday. And i-enjoy mo tong araw na to. Nag-prepare ako, nag-ayos ako ng mga upuan dito. Yun lang.
Happy birthday, Crisaline! Hi, Crisaline. Masaya kami na nakilala ka namin kahit like saglit lang na panahon. And ayun, ingat ka palagi sa Mindoro.
And happy birthday, Crisaline. We are very grateful na nakilala ka namin at naging yawiman ka namin. And ngayong 18 ka na, sana maging mas wise ka sa mga decisions mo. And remember that we are always here to guide you kahit wisely ka na. And yun, enjoy mo yung pagiging adult mo.
Running in circles, day after day, waiting, but nothing's changing. We're stuck at the hurdles that get in the way. Feels like this has been a lifetime coming.